Why oats become more popular among the health conscious people? What are the numerous health benefits of oats and how to prepare nutritious and delicious oats laddu? To know all these things, watch this video till the end. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. Hello friends, welcome to Nutralife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. Today I am going to show how to prepare delicious oats laddu. Avena sativa, which is also known as oats, is the most popular high-fiber, gluten-free, vitamin, minerals and antioxidant-rich grain. People who are eating high-fiber food are having lower risk of developing heart disease, cancer, diabetes and digestive disorder. And what if you are getting all these benefits with a sweet dish? Yes, Nutralife brought to you oats laddu recipe, which is completely nutritious and delicious to eat. Oats groats are hard to cook, so most of the people prefer to eat rolled oats or oat flour. Oats are high in antioxidant compounds called as avenanthramides. This is a unique antioxidant found in oats. This helps to produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps for the dilation of blood vessels and hence oats are helpful in reducing blood pressure. This unique antioxidant also have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching effects. Oats are also good source of ferulic acid. Oats are good source of soluble dietary fiber beta-glucan. Soluble dietary fibers are having numerous health benefits. To know more about soluble dietary fibers and their health benefits, watch my previous video of dietary fibers. The link is provided in the description box. Beta-glucan fibers from oats helps to reduce blood cholesterol level. They also helps to release constipation. Ingredients required to prepare oats laddu are cardamom, jaggery, ghee, oats. Start making dough of oat flour by adding water. Cover the dough and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Take the dough, make it smooth and start rolling thick roti. Roast the thick oats flour roti on pan from both the sides. Roast it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Make small pieces of oats roti with hand and grind these pieces in the grinder to make fine mixture. Take a mixing bowl and add fine mixture of oats roti. Then add ghee and jaggery to it. Mix all the mixture with hand for 5 to 6 minutes. Start making laddus. Delicious and nutritious oats laddu are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Neutral Life. See you next week. Bye.